Hello, and welcome to our first episode of Behind the Science, where we ask challenging questions directly to the scientists who are trying to solve today's toughest problems. I'm your host, Jennifer Fournier. We're kicking off this series with one of the most challenging questions we have faced as scientists today, released end glycan analysis. Highly complicated, dreadfully long protocols, but the value of the data is like gold. The answers are critically important, so scientists have to do it. Recently, we've heard rumors that this previously 2 to 3 day protocol can now be done in as little as 30 minutes with a new workflow. I don't know about you, but this sounds too good to be true. How is this possible? Well, I know just a scientist to ask, and since we're talking sugars, maybe I'll bring him some of these to sweeten him up. Hi Matt, you are just the person I'm looking for. I have a very important question today to ask you about end glycan analysis.
Thought I answered all those.
You did, but that's why I'm bringing a bribe here.
All right, let's see.
All right, so I've heard that we can do this really fast. Can you go show me?
Slow down, Jen. It's true. There's no way I'm ever going back to the old way. And before we begin though, let's appreciate the things that we've been changing.
All right, let's learn first.
End glycan sample prep consists of several key steps. Deglycosylation, in which glycans are released from a glycoprotein. Labeling, in order to introduce some chemical entity to the glycans so that they can be detected. And a cleanup step to extract the labeled glycans from deglycosylation and labeling reaction byproducts. In a conventional approach to end glycan sample prep, this process is laborious due to lengthy procedures and that some steps have to be iteratively performed. The end result is that the sample prep time often amounts to something greater than 1 working day.
Wow, that does look really complicated.
Exactly. That's why I didn't want to be doing it anymore.
Can we now go in the lab?
Yes, we can now go in the lab.
After you. Finally, we're in the lab.
It's a lab.
Okay, so we're here, and you were going to explain to me how we rewrote the new protocol.
Yes, it's, I have to point out, not that complicated. So, conventional end glycan sample preparation is dependent on reductive amination. This is a process that requires glycans to undergo multiple chemical conversions and a lengthy high-temperature incubation. All of that can be avoided. End glycans are actually released from glycoproteins in an amine form that we refer to as glycosylamines. With the right electrophilic reagent, this amine can be rapidly tagged. And the labeling reaction is remarkably fast, being near instantaneous. And that's how we do it.
Well, that looks really exciting and simple. I think I know enough now where I can get started.
Yeah, let's get started.
So it's not too good to be true. By rewriting conventional techniques with innovative, purposely designed science, it is possible to make something faster and simpler, and you have to believe that less steps allows for a more robust protocol. Who wouldn't want to get results the same day? Check out the links below to learn more. I hope you learned a lot from this episode, but I still have one question about this simple, faster protocol. What is the catch? Join me next time to find out that answer.